Hi everyone, welcome back to Alex Saberia's YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be playing with the Garden of Blooms stencil. I will also be using the bloom die and the tiny autumn leaves hot foiling plate. I believe I used that one. So you can see here I have the stencil pack. It comes with several stencils in that set, and you can separately purchase the coordinating dies. So this set is really fun because there is no stamp that coordinates, so it's just these two products, and the stencils are very beautifully thought out, and you can see that on the inside of the packaging you have the guide on how to layer them. And up in the left corner you will also find which stencil you are using. So this is stencil number 1 and that is the one you should start with. And there is also etchings for the a standard A2 size card front. So here we go. I start off by using sticky mat underneath my work on my work surface, and the stencil and the paper is fitting on top of it, so I don't have to spend too much time fiddling around with the placement. And you can see that my colors for today is not the one that I used for my project. So I thought that I was going to have the purple flower, or I thought I was going to have the coral flowers, but I ended up having the purple flowers, and I didn't get that on camera, but I just wanted to share how the stencil is working. So I did the same thing, but I had different colors. I just wanted to point that out so you don't get confused later on in this video. For the center parts here, I'm picking a very dark yellow color, and now you can see I switched over to the panel that I will be using. So it's fun when you have your supplies out and just create a couple of these flowers. It goes really fast when you get a hang of it, and you can just, if you create with the same colors, you can just mass produce these and have a bunch ready to go for the next time that you are going to be crafting. And it's also fun if you are using a heavier and a lighter hand when you are inking your different colors. So here I'm brave. I'm cutting one of the panels apart. You can see I will have one to the top and one to the bottom. I have a cream colored card base there. I also off camera run this embossing, this hot foiling plate with my dry embossing settings for my machine, and I raised the panel up. You can see this is a cream colored card base, and I will have some dimension between the card front and the card panel, as well as between my card panel and the flower cluster here. So I love having some dimension. It really helps this project come to life, and it also makes the flower be in the center or take the most attention on this project. So I'm just aligning it with the cream colored card base. It would have been easier maybe to do this part first, but I wasn't sure how I wanted to fit everything, so I wanted to lay everything out so I had some time to figure out where everything should go. So here I'm doing the opposite. I dry emboss another panel, this time on white, and I'm having a cream colored card base to the back, and in the center here I will have the complete cluster. I'm just trying to figure out which direction I think is more pleasing. I went with this way. And then for my sentiment, I decided to cut out the beautiful bloom die. I'm a little bit off camera, I'm sorry about that, into some matte gold cardstock. I believe it's from Altenew, and I had a white vellum behind it. And I also took one of those strips from a previous release stamp and coordinating die set. And I will have, by the way, all the products that I'm using in this video, I will have linked down below for you. I've finished off this project with some bling. These are just some clear sequins that I had in my stash, and I believe they are from Trinity Stamps. And yeah, I just really love how this project turned out. I will in the end have some still shots of all of these projects And if you like to see even more pictures, please head on over to my Instagram. I can have it listed down below for you as well, so you can see even more projects. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you soon. Bye!